A marketing campaign is launching in 48 hours, and the team needs a custom landing page layout not found in their template library. This request triggers a predictable bottleneck. The marketing team files a support ticket, and developers have to pause their core work to build, test, and deploy a single content block. Legacy monolithic systems make this harder. Adding a new shape often requires hacking PHP hooks and running fragile database migrations. Even modern headless setups face hurdles. Separated by a network gap, the system must fetch data across the internet before it can paint the page. When the architecture is fragmented, a simple request for a new layout turns into weeks of developer debt. To solve this bottleneck, the front-end interface and the back-end content must exist in a single operational environment. NextBlock CMS is built as a full-stack platform on Next.js 16 and Supabase, removing the need to manage disconnected third-party APIs. Merging the contact repository and the rendering engine into a single monorepo removes the structural friction that typically stalls a deployment. Traditional platforms typically store content as unformatted, messy HTML strings. NextBlock takes a different path. It bans raw HTML entirely and stores every piece of content as strictly structured JSON-B data. This data maps directly to React server components. Since the structure is already defined, the server renders the page without the lag of parsing strings or the need for heavy security sanitization. Because there is no overhead at the rendering layer, the platform maintains a perfect 100 out of 100 Google Lighthouse performance score by default. By making these efficiencies a core part of the architecture, fast load times become a standard delivery rather than a manual optimization task. For day-to-day writing, NextBlock uses a Tiptap-powered editor. It provides a visual canvas that relies on slash commands for a fluid workflow. But the real test comes when a team needs a layout that doesn't exist yet, like a specific pricing grid or a custom testimonial slider. Instead of waiting for a developer to write new code, they can use Cortex AI, an integrated agent that understands the system's database schema. Through constrained decoding, the AI is restricted to outputting data that fits the database's specific requirements. It generates the custom Tailwind widget and injects it into the editor instantly, with the styling and data structure already verified. Marketing teams can design, duplicate, and launch these new web segments on the fly, without opening a code editor or triggering a redeploy. This data-first architecture handles the complexities of global e-commerce and digital monetization. The platform includes a dual gateway commerce system that natively manages physical products through Stripe and digital licensing through Freemius. Because the engine is integrated, it automates global tax synchronization and maintains privacy compliance without the bloat of third-party plugins. Achieving scale natively removes the final layer of performance lag that typically slows down enterprise websites. For a business, the priority is keeping this workflow running while the underlying framework stays secure and updated. NextBlock uses an automated Git orchestration system to handle framework updates quietly in the background. If a developer has added custom code that conflicts with an update, the safety engine intercepts the conflict, isolating the issue before it can reach the live production site. NextBlock CMS resolves the friction between a creative idea and a live page, ensuring that technical debt never stalls the growth of a digital business.